Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the exact workbook and sheet you want to change, and you save a backup copy immediately so any mistake is reversible. Next, check that you have content unlocked and no objects selected. This prevents accidental moves when you change backgrounds. Now go to the View tab and locate the Grid Lines checkbox. You will use it in a moment. Once done, keep the backup open in another window so you can compare before and after. You uncheck View Grid Lines to hide the on-screen lines. This is immediate and reversible, and it doesn't affect print until you adjust print settings. For printable results, go to Page Layout and uncheck Print under Grid Lines so they won't appear on paper or PDF. If you need a uniform background instead, insert a filled rectangle or use Page Layout background, then remove grid lines so your visual is clean and consistent. Make sure to lock or send the finish by checking Print Preview and Page. Break Preview to confirm there are no residual lines before exporting or printing. If faint lines remain on screen, remove any explicit cell borders via Home Font Borders No Border. This clears manual borders that mimic grid lines. Also review conditional formatting rules and clear any that add borders, and unfreeze panes if frozen split lines appear. If problems persist, reopen the backup and repeat steps selectively while comparing differences, so you can isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.